I just hit a 446-day streak on my Duolingo app, which if you don't know what that is, it's what I use to learn Spanish. Been doing it every single day for 446 days. So in today's video, I want to talk about the power of small habits like this. It takes me 2 minutes a day to do that, and it has changed my life in every other aspect. And I want to share with you exactly how you can do the same for your life as well. I want you to think about 3 to 5 things right now that are small, that you can do every single day. It's not going to take a ton of your time to do each of them, and collectively they shouldn't take more than 20 minutes, 30 tops. I'll give you guys an example to help get your mind jogging for what you could use for your life. When I wake up in the morning, make bed. Very simple, I know. So don't click off this video because it sounds stupid at first. But make bed. Then my Duolingo, which I've done for 446 days now, which is insane. That's the only thing I've done though out of these things. Cold shower, ice cold shower. That's my third habit. Set 3 daily goals. I love this because even if I don't achieve them all, at least I'm working towards something productive every single day. It keeps me on track. And then lastly is, why can't I think right now? 100 pull-ups. Yeah, 100 pull-ups. I didn't say that one. I'm just trying to think of what I didn't say. I space those out throughout the day. I don't do 100 all at one time. All of those things together do not take me very long at all. Now, 3 months ago, I think exactly to this day actually, November 1st, so three full months ago, I made it a mission for me that every single day I would do all 5 of those habits no matter what. In all honesty, I think I may have missed like New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. I didn't do the cold shower because, you know, good luck or whatever. My girlfriend said you can't shower on those days because you need good luck for the year. So aside from that though, I have not missed a single day of those habits. And yeah, those habits aren't going to make me rich. Those habits aren't going to make me get jacked in the gym and have an insane physique. They aren't going to make me super successful directly, but ever since I started doing those 5 habits, I am so consistent in the gym now. Before, I would try to be consistent in the gym, and I love lifting, but I mean, there would just be days where I'm like, I don't need to go today. I'll go tomorrow. I'll do extra hard tomorrow. And I could say that 3 days in a row. Take 3 days off from the gym. Just not work out. I wasn't tracking my calories. Maybe I would 1 day a week or something, and then I wouldn't even track everything. Ever since I started doing those 5 habits, even though they're not related to fitness, it has completely changed my life. Because when I do those 5 habits every single day, it primes me. It primes my brain and it primes my body to get stuff done and to not let that momentum die. That sets the momentum for the rest of the day. And I am able to achieve so much more because of those 5 things. I look back now, like I mentioned, that 446-day streak on Duolingo. I spend 2 minutes a day on that. But it's the fact that you can keep showing up every day. That's the impressive part. I think it was Bruce Lee said, I don't fear the man that can do 1,000 kicks in a day. I fear the man that can do 1 kick a day, every day, for 1,000 days. And that's what I'm trying to live by now, because I get really into stuff. I get super obsessed with things. And I do that for a few months, maybe a few weeks. And then I just kind of lose interest. But I'm working on that with my consistency. And ever since starting these habits, consistency just comes naturally because of those habits. That 446-day streak, I can't help but look back on it because I remember when I started that streak, because I would do like a week-long streak or a 3-4 day streak of the Spanish app Duolingo, and then it sounds like a fucking sponsorship. It's not a sponsorship. But what was I saying? I would do that every day for like a few days and then fall off, take a week off, and then I'll do a day. I'll do another day of Spanish, whatever. I remember when I told myself that I was going to start doing that every single day nonstop. It was a little over a year ago. I remember it was starting to get cold out. I remember specifically that time in my life because I was reading a little bit at that time too, and I thought that I was being productive, you know? I was making some YouTube videos. I had made a few. They were just sitting talking in my room, and I think I only made 5. It's like an easy video to make, but I only made 5, and then I fell off and didn't make videos for 10 months or something like that. And I can't help but wonder, back when I started that Duolingo streak, what if I would have added in those other habits back then? Where would my life be now? If I imagine it as a graph with 2 lines, where one is how my life would have been if I had started all those habits, I can't help but imagine it would have exponentially gotten better. Or not even exponentially, but just a much steeper progression of everything in my life. If I would have started all those habits and done all those habits for 450 days in a row, can you imagine where I would be at now? And then that graph now is, yeah, I did the Spanish app for whatever, 400 days, but I didn't do those other things. And I just wish that I would have started those other things back then. In relation to that, there's this guy that I follow that he like knew people that I kind of grew up with. I was never friends with him or never even met him, but he knew people that I knew basically. And he actually started making those kind of talking YouTube videos back at the same time that I did. But what's the difference? I stopped after making 5 videos for like a few weeks. That's all I did. I lasted a couple weeks and then just stopped. And let's just say that he is very far ahead in life. And I'm not getting worried about it. I know everyone goes at their own pace, but damn, I just can't help but think man, what if I would have been consistent and done my habits every single day ever since that starting point? We started at the same time. And if I would have done it even before then, when I started the Spanish streak, where would I be at now? Can't help but wonder. And that's kind of what I want you guys to think about as well today and take from this video. If you have not started doing daily habits, please, I've done it for 3 full months now. I've done those 5. So I feel like I can confidently speak on it now, and there's no end in sight. It's not like some stupid ass 90-day challenge or 3-month challenge. Like, no, bro, I'm doing this inevitably. But I want you guys to think about 3 to 5 things. I like 5, but you can do 3. I wouldn't say do more than 5 though, because then you're just kind of wasting your time at that point. Think of 3 to 5 things right now. Okay, maybe you can do 20 push-ups a day. I know you watching this right now, you can fucking do 20 push-ups. If you can't do them all in one, do 2 sets of 10 or something, 4 sets of 5. Like, if you're weak as shit right now and you're a little bitch and you can only do 4 or 5, just get to 20, bro. Like, whatever. Like, that's a great one. Cold shower. I don't really do it for the health benefits, and I used to think that was kind of bullshit. Like, seeing people do it, their 5 a.m. wake up routine of a millionaire or whatever, you know. I used to think it was bullshit, but it's the fact that it's hard and it's difficult, and I don't want to do that shit. There's not one day, maybe the first day I was like, yeah, let's go. Bro, every single day after that first day, you think I want to do an ice cold shower? Hell no, bro. But it's something that I don't want to do, and that's the point of it, because I'm forcing myself to do it. All this work that I have throughout the day, going to the gym some days I don't want to do it, and it feels just like stepping in that cold shower. It's the same as going to the gym. But because I forced myself earlier, it just builds up my mental strength every single day with every single habit. It's building my mental strength and the ability to do stuff that I don't want to do, no matter my emotion, no matter if I'm lazy. That's the thing. You have to take out emotion if you want to be successful when it comes to stuff like this. Obviously, you should still have your emotions in check or whatever, but there's gonna be emotion. And okay, think about it like this. Logically, you know exactly what it would take to get to where you want to be. If you don't, that's a whole nother story. It just means you don't know how to fucking use Google, but you know exactly where you want to be. You know the things that you should be doing to get there. If you could tell yourself, I'm going to work 12 hours every single day. I'm going to go to the gym every single day for 2 hours. I'm going to track my calories down to the calorie every single day. I'm going to eat exactly the right things every single day. I'm going to get enough protein every single day down to the gram. You know, if you do that stuff, you will achieve the goals that you have. But why can't you? It's because of your emotion. Your emotion is getting in the way. I'm tired today. I don't really feel like working out today. These fucking sirens, hopefully they're not too loud. I don't really feel like working out today. I don't feel like tracking my calories today. I'll just have a cheat day. This is too hard. Bro, that's why you're not successful, and that's why you're not achieving the goals that you have. It's because your emotion is getting in the way. And I'm not talking about being sad or being like angry, not those emotions. Laziness, being undisciplined, those are getting in the way because you know what you should do. And if you could, it's going to sound bad, but if you could just act like a robot and you do the inputs every single day, you will get the outputs. It's like a robot or like a computer or a machine. Like you tell it to do something, it does it, and it gives you the output. That's what you need to do in relation to your goals and your life and the things that you need to be doing and your habits, your daily habits that you should be doing every single day. Those are the inputs. Those prime the inputs that you need to be doing as well. That's why I include the 3 daily goals, because those 5 habits are basically irrelevant to the things that I want to achieve. Maybe pull-ups help a little bit with my physique, but those things are irrelevant. Those prime the day and help me be so much more effective. I want you guys to be thinking about this, and please do not click off this video until you write down 3 to 5 habits, bro. Please trust me. It worked for me, it will work for you. I'm just a normal ass dude and it's been working. Please try it. You don't even have to. Don't commit yourself, bro. Don't commit yourself to doing it every day for a year. Not even a month. If that's too much for you right now, just say it. Tomorrow, I'm going to try what this fucking guy on YouTube said. What this kid on YouTube told me to do. I'll try it for 1 day. Write down the things and try it tomorrow. Start fresh tomorrow. Or if it's earlier in the day, you can start today. But I know I'm just a random guy on YouTube. And you may think like, what do I know, right? But I'm gonna tell you it worked for me. So just try it. That's all you got to do. But I hope this video helped. I hope it will help. I guess you guys will see in a few months. Just be consistent with it. That's all I got to say. And just do the inputs. You'll get the outputs. Use it as a way of priming yourself for those goals that you have throughout the day, for whatever task you have, and you'll notice that it gets a lot easier. Good luck, guys.